Monkey and welcome to AV News. Today's headline is a freight train has been found in San Fierro. Nobody knows where it came from and how it's happened. As you can see, the train is blocking the whole of the main road. I'm Monkey reporting for AV News.
Train 694 between lanes 2 and 3. It takes us 120 miles an hour directly under the helicopter now. Still 130 southbound.
In the next few days predicted to have heavy rainfall and some snow coming from the deserts, and then temperatures would drop to below -10. The forecast for the week looks promising, with only a small amount of acid rain killing our plant life and some small blizzards creeping up here and there. The following days look nice with heat waves drying up the waterways and cooking any living things outdoors.